You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more medical terms, scientific names from science, stay tuned. Anatomy as well. I've got more videos for you. Spina Bifida Occulta. That be the English pronunciation. The Latin is more as Spina Bifida Occulta. Now, in English, Spina Bifida Occulta. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.